So now that Usain Bolt has retired and Johan Blake has walked away from long-time coach Glenn Mills, I can say something that I've been wanting to say for years. I think it was a bad move for Johan Blake to spend so much of his career in the same camp as the legendary Usain Bolt. If Blake, who is the joint second fastest man ever in the 100 at 9.69 and the second fastest man ever at 200, 19.26, we're talking about the second fastest man of all time. I think it was a strategic error to remain Bolt's little brother or friendly heir apparent for so long. Blake should have ideally been in another camp and competing against Bolt as a rival instead of a friend and a training partner. That would have been better for business and better for his legacy. Remember now, at points in his career, Blake was threatening and indeed beating Bolt in training. Those beatings should have been on the Diamond League circuit, the Olympic Games or the World Championships. This would not affect Jamaica. They would represent the country and run on the relay team, etc. It's just that they would be rivals instead of friends. And outside of rivalry, selling sports, nothing gets the best out of a competitor and a champion than a fierce rivalry. I think Johan Blake missed a major trick by remaining so long under the shadow of Usain Bolt.